Nelson Mandela's autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom, and describes his inauguration as South Africa's first democratically elected president. Here are the key points. 1. The historic inauguration, 10th May 1994. The day was bright and clear, marking the beginning of a new democratic South Africa. The inauguration took place at the Union Buildings in Pretoria, previously a symbol of white supremacy. The event was attended by dignitaries and world leaders, making it the largest international gathering in South Africa. Nelson Mandela was sworn in as president, with Thabo Mbeki as first deputy president and F.W. de Klerk as second deputy president. In his speech, Mandela emphasized unity, justice, peace, and dignity for all South Africans. 2. Symbolism of unity. A spectacular military flyover displayed the colors of the new South African flag. Former apartheid-era military leaders, who once opposed him, saluted and pledged loyalty to the new government. The national anthems, Nkosi Sikelel iAfrika and Die Stem, were sung by both black and white citizens, symbolizing unity. 3. Reflection on South Africa's past. Mandela recalled the history of racial oppression and apartheid. He paid tribute to great leaders like Oliver Tambo, Walter Sisulu, Chief Luthuli, and Robert Sobukwe, whose sacrifices led to freedom. He emphasized that South Africa's true wealth lies not in minerals but in its people. 4. The meaning of courage and freedom. Courage is not the absence of fear but the triumph over it. No one is born hating another, hatred is taught, but love comes more naturally. Even during his imprisonment, Mandela saw glimpses of humanity in his oppressors. 5. Personal journey toward freedom. As a child, Mandela felt free, but as he grew older, he realized his freedom was an illusion. His personal hunger for freedom evolved into a greater mission to free all South Africans. He sacrificed his personal life, becoming an outlaw and a political prisoner in the struggle for justice. 6. The philosophy of freedom. Freedom is indivisible. If one person is in chains, everyone is in chains. Both the oppressed and the oppressor are imprisoned by injustice. True freedom liberates all. He concluded that South Africa's future must be built on forgiveness, reconciliation, and unity. This speech and reflection capture the essence of Mandela's lifelong struggle and his vision for a free, democratic, and united South Africa.